As I was deciding to do a cannabis themed Rolex, I felt like as an artist it was going to be a challenge. It got picked up by Hypebeast and Dope Magazine and High Snobiety, and so that was pretty cool to get so much press on something. It was the most press I had ever had. So I'm like, okay, I'm onto something here, like keep it moving. And I just decided like I wanted to do some in my jewelry because, you know, that's what I make the most of. And that was when I decided to do the first ring. Was like kind of a traditional men's wedding band style. That was really challenging just because it was so small. I'm gonna hit this and then. Today we're working on a signet ring. The first part of that is doing a drawing study. Usually it happens in my backyard. Once I have a drawing that I like, I actually do it on my iPad, and then I can transfer that design onto a template that I've made for the rings. The next thing I do is pick out the gemstones. Today chose to do green sapphires, natural greens from Sri Lanka, so they kind of have like slight shifts in color, and set those into the ring. Takes a while. You have to create a seat, and you cut away metal, leaving prongs essentially that you push over. After doing that, it's time to get into the engraving. So this ring in particular decided to do a 22 karat rose gold inlay, which is actually an alloy that I make in-house. Most engravers that I've ever talked to before doing this said inlaying rose gold was impossible, just because it's so hard, and that was when I decided I needed to make my own metal to inlay it in. I was thinking about it as I was drawing the plant yesterday, that the hairs kind of have a little orangish tint sometimes. After doing that, I just basically engrave the lines that I lay out, and then you have to take away the background, so you're essentially recessing the background, and that's just one piece at a time. You're removing metal, and then you smooth it out with a ball burr on the flex shaft. You stipple it so it gets some nice contrast from the top. After that, I do a black rhodium plating, and I basically take the black off of the top surface of the ring, leaving all the removed material, which is everything I did through my engraving, black, and it leaves a really nice bold pattern. Yeah, that's pretty much the process of making the ring. Thank you guys for coming by. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to know, here, I'm gonna take a sip of coffee, get my head right. Oh, thanks guys for listening to me today. It was fun to tell you about making cannabis jewelry. Come visit me at thirdeyeassembly.com. I got lots more where that came from.
Nailed it.
Pretty good.